Hello friends, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today I got a request to share how to do a full insert in a card. I think the problem was she was trying to glue it both at the same time. So let me share. I got two cards here with the Free as a Bird and the Designer Series paper. It's part of that suite. It's Bird Ballad. So this one you see I stamped crooked, but it was for a reason. So I will have measurement for both of the card. This was done at convention here at On Stage. So I just wanted to do two quick cards to share how to do the full insert. But first I wanted to share, if you get something that it's same offside a bit, you can always put that sideways and now it becomes straight. So let me share with you how I done this here. So I'm going to put my adhesive in the back and I'm going to come here and try to line that up. That looked pretty straight here. Like this. Then never cut from the front. Turn this in the back and you can put it on your paper cutter or you can use your scissors. Boom, in the back so you know it's straight. Because from the back you can follow your paper, right? Here I got, one tiny hair, not enough. Here we go. See how simple that was? Now I still can put my ribbon if I want. And that was the new lace ribbon here. So I'm just going to wrap it around. So it's a little bit of more than just the insert, put it that way. I'm going to put it this way. Okay, let me have a little bit more here. And I'm going to go sideways, just like this. So I'm going to wrap this around. And I'm going to put my bow at the left side this time. So I'm going to put up and down. And I want a bit on top of this. So up and down. So I should call this video a bit more tips, because I get a few tips for this. And I cut way too long. But I'm going to save that. Sometime I just need a little bit pull. And I cut diagonal and diagonal. And then to make sure it don't move, what I like to do is take a glue dot. Take my glue dot. And lift my bow and put that right there. So now I know it's secure. Now let's mount that on top. I didn't put no greeting at the top of this one, so really I can use that for any occasion, or I can decide to put another greeting. So now I'm going to share with you how to do the insert. And this is the card base, it's Pool Party. With this paper, it's beyond gorgeous. Et voila. See? Same design, almost, just completely different look. Okay, for the insert, it is two ways to do it. One way that I learned that sometime when you buy a card at the store, oh my gosh, I hope not, right? Sometimes it's free fall, I call it. So what you're going to do, you can take Tombow, snail, it doesn't matter for this, any glue going to work. You just put it on one side, just at the edge. Open your card, put that, try to the top and the bottom. Oh, by the way, this here measure 8" by 5 1/4 and score at 4. So just one of the piece, put it right at the edge there. Going to try to make sure it's straight. Close this, press this, open this up. Now I'm going to go ahead and put another one at this side. And then you're going to take this and close this. So then you know it's straight on both ways. And see, this is free fall, I call it. So it can stay perfectly fine. And boom. And voila. Now the other one, this one had something stamped inside, but I still going to put the thing. What you want to do, if you want the whole thing glued down, you're going to put your glue on both ends, bottom, and I like to do a snipping there. Now you're going to open this up again, put it right in the center, push, and then take your hand and push it as you close it. So then it's going to be flat, it's going to be equally. See, boom, open this up. Now I'm going to go ahead, put there. Now you're going to take your cover or your bag there and close it and bring it down. So then you won't have no pucker or bubble of air or whatever. And see, it's right in the center, and it's the easy done. So that's how I put a full insert. Other way that you can put a full insert, it's instead of cardstock, many people like to use copy paper. You will notice sometime in the bought card, that I hope you don't have to do, that it's more a fine paper. So you can use copy paper for your inside. Et voila. That is it, my friend, for my little tip for the full insert. Hope that's going to help. Till next time, happy stamping. And again, for all the supplies that I use, and I will add all the measurement also for this, below in the description you get the direct link to my blog, or above the eye. And all in the US are welcome to come shop 24/7. Thank you so much, and have a lovely day, my friend. Bye-bye for now.